How the heck do you craft with that? Part 24. Struggling to add texture and dimension to your paper crafting projects? I've got you. One tool every paper crafter will want to have in their arsenal is embossing paste by Stampin' Up. Use embossing paste to effortlessly add texture and dimension to your cards, scrapbook pages, and more. Saying goodbye to flat designs with embossing paste and elevate your projects with eye-catching details that are sure to impress everyone. Grab your favorite stamps, stencils, palette knives, and of course, Stampin' Up! Embossing paste to prepare to add texture and dimension to your paper crafting projects like never before. Prepare your workspace with a piece of scrap paper, your cardstock, and then your stencil. Secure everything in place with some removable tape. Then, using a palette knife, apply a generous amount of embossing paste over the stencil and smooth it out evenly. Let dry and reveal the magic. Allowing embossing paste to dry completely will give your project that beautiful raised texture and touchable finish. Follow for more crafty tools tips.